Namaste, dear readers. Today we will be chanting the Lakshmi Ashtottara Shatanama Stotra, the hymn of 108 names of Goddess Lakshmi. This is a very important hymn of Lakshmi which was taught to Goddess Parvati by Lord Shiva himself. This hymn is called Daridrya Mochana, that which liberates those who recite this hymn from all kinds of poverty. The hymn contains many names that has been used in the Vedic hymn of Sri Sukta, one of the most important suktas which praises Goddess Lakshmi. Health, wealth, wisdom, prosperity and all kinds of wealth are granted by the goddess for those who worship her with devotion through this hymn. The glories and qualities of Goddess Lakshmi are very well expressed through all these 108 names that are listed in this hymn. Let us chant this hymn now. Devyuvacha Deva Deva Mahadeva Trikalagnya Maheshwara Karunakara Devesha Bhaktanugrahakaraka Ashtottara Shatam Lakshmyaha Shrotumichchami Tattvataha. Devi, Goddess Parvati, asks Mahadeva. She praises him, calling him Mahadeva, the greatest of all gods, Trikalagnya, one who knows the past, present and future, Maheshwara, the Lord of all lords, Karunakara, the benevolent and kind, one who shows compassion towards all the beings, Devesha, the leader of the gods, Bhaktanugrahakaraka, one who blesses the devotees. O God Mahadeva, with such wonderful attributes and qualities, Ashtottara Shatam Lakshmyaha Shrotumichchami Tattvataha. I want to listen to the 108 names of Goddess Lakshmi Tattvataha, with all essence and all knowledge. Tattvam means essence, Tattvam means knowledge, Tattvataha also means factually, directly. Ishvara Uvacha Devi Sadhu Mahabhage Mahabhagyapradayakam Sarvaishwaryakaram Punyam Sarvapapa Pranashanam Sarvadaridrya Shamanam Shravanad Bhukti Muktidam Rajavashyakaram Divyam Guhyad Guhyatamam Param Durlabham Sarvadevanam Chatushashti Kalaspadam Padmadinam Varantanam Nidhinam Nityadayakam Samasta Deva Samsevyam Animadyashta Siddhidam Kimatra Bahunoktena Devi Pratyakshadayakam Tava Prityadya Vakshyami Samahita Manashrunu. O Devi, well done. Sadhu. Sadhu here means well done. Mahabhage, O greatly fortunate one. Well done. Well done for what? For asking such a question. This Ashtottara, the 108 names, is Mahabhagya Pradayakam, that which bestows great fortunes and great luck. Sarva Aishwarya Karam, that which creates all kinds of Aishwarya in the life of the devotees. Punyam, that which is auspicious and purifying in nature. Sarva Papa Pranashanam, that which can destroy all kinds of sins. That is, that which can cleanse the devotee of all sins when chanted with great devotion. Sarva Daridrya Shamanam, that which can pacify and control all kinds of poverty. And Shravanad Bhukti Muktidam, just by listening to this stotra, it can give bhukti, that means bhoga, that means pleasures, and mukti, liberation, final liberation. Rajavashyakaram, it can even make kings do things according to your wish. It can subdue kings. It can make kings favorable towards you. Divyam, this is divine in nature. Guhyad guhyatamam param. This is one of the greatest secrets. Durlabham sarva devanam. Even for the gods, it is hard to attain. Chatushashti kalaspadam. It is the rest place of 64 art forms. Padmadinam varantanam nidhinam nityadayakam. It bestows Navanidhi, 9 kinds of treasures. Samasta Deva Samsevyam. It is worshipped and praised and revered by all the gods. It can also grant siddhis, mystic yogic powers like anima. So it can grant ashtasiddhis. Kimatra bahunoktena. What to say about its effectiveness and efficacy? If done rightly with the right mindset, it can even give the direct vision of Devi, Goddess Lakshmi. Devi pratyakshadayakam tava prityadhya vakshyami. Only because I love you, only because of my love and affection for you, I am going to tell you about it. I am going to teach it to you. Samahita mana shrunu. Listen to it with full concentration. Then he says the Rishi Chanda Devata of the Stotra. Ashtottara Shatasya Asya Mahalakshmistu Devata Klim Bija Padam Ityuktam Shaktistu Bhuvaneshwari Anganyasah Karanyasah Sa Ityadihi Prakirtitaha. Here there is another pata Shram Ityadi Prakirtitaha. So he says about the Nyasa Vidhi. Then we move on to the Dhyana. Dhyanam Vande Padmakaram Prasannavadanam Saubhagyadam Bhagyadam Hastabhyam Abhayapradam Maniganair Nanavidhair Bhushitam Bhaktabhishtapalepradam Harihara Brahmadibhissevitam Parshve Pankaja Shanka Padmanidibhi Yuktam Sada Shaktibihi. This is the dhyana of Mahalakshmi. I bow to her. Vande Padmakaram, she who has lotus in her hands. Prasanna Vadanam, she who has a pleasant face, a very happy and joyous face, calm and serene. Saubhagyadam, she who grants us Saubhagya, good fortune. Bhagyadam, fortune. She who destines good things in our life. Hastabhyam Abhayapradam. With her hands, she shows the gesture of Abhaya. So basically she has 4 hands. In upper 2 hands she holds lotus and lower 2 hands she shows Abhaya, the gesture of fearlessness. Abhaya Mudra. Maniganair Nana Vidhair Bhushitam. She is adorned with various kinds of precious gems. Bhakta Abhishta Palapradam. She who grants the desires of her devotees. Harihara Brahmadibhissevitam. She who is served by, worshipped by Hari, Vishnu, Hara, Shiva, Brahma, Lord Brahma the creator, Adibihi and others, and other gods and humans. Parshve, to her sides, Pankaja Shanka Padmanidibhihi Yuktam. She is served by Padmanidhi and Shankanidhi, and there are also lotuses to her sides. Pankaja, Shanka Padmanidhi. Yuktam and Sada Shaktibihi Yuktam. She is also accompanied by Shaktis, various goddesses, feminine goddesses who are the embodiments of various powers. Next dhyana. Sarasi Janayane Saroja Haste Dhavalataram Sukagandhamalya Shobhe Bhagavati Harivallabhe मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरि प्रसीद मह्यम्. O goddess who has lotus-like eyes, Sarasijanayane, Saroja Haste, O goddess who has lotus-like hands and who has lotuses on her hands. Dhavalatara Amshuka Gandha Malya Shobhe. She is wearing a white saree. Dhavalatara, that is whiter than white. Amshuka means cloth. Gandha, she is also adorned with white fragrant pastes. Malya, she is adorned with various garlands, flower garlands. Bhagavati, O goddess, Harivallabhe, consort of Hari, Narayana, Manognya, O goddess who is pleasing to my mind, Tribhuvana Bhutikari, she who is the creator of wealth in all three worlds, Prasida Mahyam, please be pleased upon me. Please shower your grace upon me. Now the Ashtottara Shatanama starts. Prakritim Vikritim Vidyam Sarvabhuta Hitapradam Shraddham Vibhutim Surabhim Namami Paramatmikam Vacham Padmalayam Padmam Shuchim Swaham Swadham Sudham Dhanyam Hiranmayim Lakshmim Nityapushtam Vibhavarim Aditim Chaditim Deeptam Vasudham Vasudharinim Namami Kamalam Kantam Kamakshim Krodhasambhavam Anugrahapradam Buddhimanagam Harivallabham Ashokamamritam Deeptam Lokashoka Vinashinim Namami Dharma Nilayam Karunam Lokamataram Padmapriyam Padmahastam Padmakshim Padmasundarim Padmodbhavam Padmamukhim Padmanabhapriyam Ramam Padmamaladharam Devim Padminim Padmagandhinim Punyagandham Suprasannam Prasadabhimukim Prabham Namami Chandravadanam Chandram Chandrasahodarim Chaturbhujam Chandrarupam Indiram Indushitalam Ahlada-jananim Pushtim Shivam Shivakarim Satim Vimalam Vishvajananim Tushtim Daridryanashinim Priti Pushkarinim Shantam Shuklamalyambaram Shriyam Bhaskarim Vilvanilayam Vararoham Yashasvinim Vasundharam Udarangim Harinim Hemamalinim Dhanadhanyakarim Siddhim Sada Saumyam Shubhapradam Nrupaveshmagatanandam Varalakshmim Vasupradam Shubham Hiranyaprakaram Samudratanayam Jayam Namami Mangalam Devim Vishnu Vakshasthalasthitam Vishnu Patnim प्रसन्नाक्षीं नारायणसमाश्रितां दारिद्र्यध्वंसिनीं देवीं सर्वोपद्रवहारिणीं नवदुर्गां महाकालीं ब्रह्मविष्णुशिवात्मिकां त्रिकालज्ञानसम्पन्नां नमामि भुवनेश्वरीम् लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गधामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदीपाङ्कुरां श्रीमन्मन्धकटाक्षलब्धविभवब्रह्मेन्द्रगङ्गाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियाम् मातर्नमामि कमले कमलायताक्षी श्रीविष्णुहृत्कमलवासिनि विश्वमातः क्षीरोदजे कमलकोमलगर्भगौरि लक्ष्मी प्रसीद सततं नमतां शरण्ये त्रिकालं यो जपेद्विद्वान् षण्मासं विजितेन्द्रियः दारिद्र्यध्वंसनं कृत्वा सर्वमाप्नोत्ययत्नतः देवी नामसहस्रेषु पुण्यमष्टोत्तरं शतं येन श्रियमवाप्नोति कोटिजन्मदरिद्रतः भृगुवारे शतं धीमान् पठेद्वत्सरमात्रकम् अष्टैश्वर्यमवाप्नोति कुबेरैव भूतले दारिद्र्यमोचनं नाम स्तोत्रमम्बापरं शतं येन श्रियमवाप्नोति कोटिजन्मदरिद्रतः भुक्त्वा तु विपुलान् भोगान् अस्याः सायुज्यमाप्नुयात् प्रातःकाले पठेन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखोपशान्तये पठंस्तु चिन्तयेत् देवीं सर्वाभरणभूषिताम्. The Palashruti says, whoever recites this hymn continuously for 6 months, having conquered one's own sense organs with full concentration and devotion towards Goddess Lakshmi, his poverty will be completely destroyed and he will attain everything he needs without much efforts. These 108 names are auspicious and purifying in nature, and they are the greatest among thousands of names of Goddess Lakshmi, through which the devotee attains wealth, escaping from the poverty that follows him or followed him rather since millions of births. Even such a poverty will be wiped out and he will attain wealth by worshipping Goddess Lakshmi through this hymn, says Shiva. During the Fridays, Bhruguvara, one should recite this for 100 times, and this should be continued till an year, Vatsara Matraka. Then he will attain all 8 kinds of wealth and he'll basically attain fulfillment and content, and he'll be happy as Kubera living in this world. This very hymn is called as Daridrya Mochanam, that which liberates us from poverty. This praises the goddess Amba, the mother goddess. Here the mother goddess is Lakshmi, through which one attains wealth, escaping from poverty that follows him through various births, various lifetimes. After enjoying the worldly pleasures abundantly, Vipulan Bhogan, after that the devotee attains Sayujya Moksha, oneness with the goddess Lakshmi. Whoever recites this stotra early in the morning, pratah kale, he should take the sankalpa for rectification of all kinds of sorrows. Sarva dukkopashantaye. While reciting, one should meditate upon Goddess Lakshmi, who is adorned with all kinds of jewels and ornaments. Sarvabharana bhushitam. To know the deeper meaning of this hymn and to read the commentary based on Sri Sukta and Lakshmi Tantra for this very hymn, you can get the book 108 Names of Lakshmi from the link given in the description. Thank you for listening. Namo Lakshmiyai.